Good morning, everyone. We will start this session. I welcome everyone for the today's session on overview of intellectual property rights. And today, in our midst, Ms. P. Bindu Sweta is here. I like to thank her for accepting the invitation from Manuscriptpedia. And I like to tell a short profile about her. Like she completed a bachelor degree in ECE from JNTU Hyderabad, and post graduation also from there in VLSI, and now she is pursuing her PhD in microelectronics and VLSI design from Satyabama Institute of Technology and Sciences, Chennai. And she published a good number of papers in reputed journals. And she has 4 textbooks in the field of digital electronics and digital signal processing (VLSI) with version HDI and concepts. And she is having like 5 patents from IP India. And currently, one textbook is his editor, acting as editor in IOR International Press. And she successfully completed 36 plus online courses from various MOOC platforms, and currently she's received recently a young researcher award from ESN research groups, and her social interests include associating continuously from last 5 years in educating girl children and who is pursuing their education through scholarship by providing necessary recruitment. She is an active member of MISTE, AMIE, and MUACCE, MIENG, and professional member in IFERP. She has supervised several academic UG and PG projects, conducting technical symposium workshop, and tries 2040 IIT Delhi as a coordinator. Currently, she is working as assistant professor, a researcher, and innovator in EC and Innovation Cell faculty in charge of G. Pulaya College of Engineering and Technology, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. So, I like to thank her for accepting the invitation from Manuscriptpedia, ma'am. I request you to start the presentation, ma'am. Can you share your screen, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, Daniel ji, for a nice introduction.
Thank you, ma'am.
Whether my voice is audible to you?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Audible, ma'am.
Yeah,
Uh,
fine.
can you click the slide show, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir. Is it okay, sir?
Yeah, is it okay, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, fine. Can we start, or do we need to wait for some time?
Yeah, 10:03. Yeah, you will start, ma'am.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
A warm morning to you all. Welcome to all the joyful noise in my surroundings. Thank you, Daniel ji, for
Thank you.
inviting me to this international research internship program. I observing in this panel completely doctorates, professors, faculty fraternity, research scholars, and young students. A very good morning to you all. Before going to study this particular topic, I need to give a small point. For example, as a faculty, I attended so many FDPs or so many HTTPs or any sort of certification. For example, if I completed one sort of course, means what is the meaning? That particular certificate holds a lifelong period. Maybe NPTEL certification or Coursera certifications, right? Whereas in the case of this patents or intellectual property rights, maybe copyright or trademarks, this is not hold in our name permanently, right? Okay. Now I would like to start this session. Yeah, I'm happy to. One second, I would like to stop my video. I'm not getting clear. Is it okay, sir?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, fine. This is Bindu Shweta, working as an assistant professor in the Department of ECE at GPSET, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. This is my 6th online session during this COVID-19 pandemic period. My deepest gratitude goes to all my teachers, especially Jay Krishna sir, parents and family. Almighty for giving the strength that the God is permitting me to share enlighten some of my views related to topic of interest called today IPR, intellectual property rights. I believe any concept in life cannot be judged with a single perspective. I guess, and I believe God has given us ability to think, apply, and share. So let us grow together through a knowledge transfer. I'm going with one motto called education for peace, Peace begins with a smile and smile through service. Intellectual property rights. What is the meaning of patent? What is the meaning of trademark? Or what is the meaning of copyright, etc. So before going to this patent, intellectual property, IP, it is a category of anything, maybe some sort of property or any sort of lands or any sort of issues that includes intangible creation of human intellect. There are many types of IP. In that, most well-known used types are patent and copyrights, right? What is the meaning of patent? A patent is an exclusive monopoly granted by government of an applicant as well as inventor. For example, if you are working with research, means if in order to go with any sort of paper publication, means we are going as an author, whereas in the case of patent publication, we need to move with an applicant as well as an inventor. That is the meaning here. So this invention for a limited specific period, approximately 14 to 20. Okay, it is a territorial right granted by central government. Now, in order to do any sort of patent, what can and what cannot, can be like, it should be new, it should be useful to the society. That means novel, inventive steps, capable of industrial application, must not be declared as non-patentable under the Patent Act 1970. Now, novelty, invention or innovative. What is the meaning of invention? Invention means newly. Previously, no one can be used that particular method or process. New item, useful process or method or a machine or some sort of model. Articles of manufacture, right? Whereas in the case of innovation, what is the meaning of innovation? Adding some features to existing work. For example, Apple phone 5, 6, 7, 10. Company same, innovating the model, innovating the features to its existing models, embedded. So that is the meaning of invention and innovation. In this particular patent, what can't be means mathematical method. For example, we have some laws. Based on some laws, we are going daily. The sun rises in the east. That's a law. That's a truth. I can't change that. So we can't do any sort of patent to this particular thing. Any artistic creation, anything against universal law or any business creations. What are the types of applications? Applications may be ordinary application. In that ordinary application, regular patent, early patent, convention type, conventional patent. Next one, PCT, Patent Cooperation Treaty. In this PCT, national phase, international phase. After the divisional. For example, I filed one big patent to this government. For example, I'm comes under South India. So South India means I need to go with South Patent Office only. That is situated at Chennai. Which can result from division of a patent application. Patent form 1, patent form 2, like part A, part B, like that. After that, patent of addition. For example, I patented during the year 2015. After that, if I want to include some more points to that particular thing, means I may add. I may file subsequent of filing of an application for grant, for an enhancement or modification or an improvement. Patent applications may be provisional or sometimes complete patent. In the case of provisional specification, we need to include title, invention description, if necessary, related to that particular point, drawings. Complete patent means what? I need to file all the forms like title of the patent or title of the invention, field of the invention, complete description in form 2, abstract, after the drawing. 100% we need to give all the things, end up with claims. So attorney will take care of all the things. Right. Complete specification involves, in order to file a patent to respect to patent office, what are the things I need to have? Number one, title. That should be less than 15, but this we shouldn't use not more than 15 words. After that, field of invention. For example, if you want to file a patent, single person file a patent, or a group of team can file a patent. For example, I am working in an X institution. My friend is working in another institution in another state. So we may club each other and we may file a patent, right? Field of invention. I'm working in EC department. My friend Daniel working in civil engineering department. One more friend working in AAA department. Another friend working in mechanical. So we can club all the department and file a patent. That in that particular thing, field of invention we need to mention carefully. Background of the patent. What are the objective? Why we are going with a patent to this particular title? If anything required, I need to go with the drawings, detailed description, claims, and abstract, and other necessary required forms. I need to give clear specification before filing a patent. Yeah, next one, field of invention. What are the fields can I patent in the patent office? Maybe engineering, musical, medical, business, pharmaceuticals, biological science, school, automation, home appliances, computer applications, insurance, biotechnology, VLSI, nanotechnology, medical, Ayurveda, Siddha, arts and science, and lots more. So there is no restrictions for any invention. Yeah, what are the forms required to file a patent? In order to file or in order to go with the patent office, I require these points. Number one, covering letter, indicating list of documents. What are the things you are going to submit? You are going to attach to your letter. Application of grant of a patent, form 1. So in the case of IP India website, you will find all the forms, form 1, form 2, form 3, form 5, form 18, form 26, depends on requirement. We need to download that form and we need to fill the data based on our description. Application for grant of a patent. Grant of a patent is the last step. Complete or provisional specification. Types of applications are number 1, provisional, number 2, complete specification. After that, statement and undertaking regarding foreign applications, declaration of inventorship, request for examination, power of attorney. So we need to type and we need to fill all the details related to our topic or related to our patent document in each and every forms with prescribed government fee. How to file a patent? Document can be filed at the patent office, at the respective patent office. For example, I'm residing at South India, so I need to approach with South Indian Patent Office only, by hand, directly, or digitally, e-filing, or through post. Who and where can file a patent? Who means what? For example, if I publish any research article or any research paper in PhD or related to academician in engineering colleges, like will file as an author. For example, if I edit any sort of textbook, means I'll get an editor. Now, if you are working with patent, if you wanted to file a patent in the patent office, I need to act as an applicant or assignee and an inventor. So inventor and applicants need to file a patent. From any institution or any organization or any private company or public company, any research labs, legal representative of any person. So based on background, fee is different. Based on the above background, fee is different for natural person, startups, small entity, and persons other than small entity, right? Where can file a patent? Chennai office, Kolkata, Bombay, Delhi office. Right? Chennai office means what? South India. In this What are the coverage states? The states of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Union Territories of Pondicherry and Lakshadweep. Next one is Mumbai. It can covers the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Chhattisgarh, Union Territories of Daman, Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Third one, Delhi. Delhi means the states of Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, National Capital Territories of Delhi, Union Territories of Chandigarh. Last one, Kolkata. Rest of India, the states of Bihar, Orissa, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Union Territories of Andaman and Nicobar. So based on our residence, we need to file and we need to approach corresponding patent office. I am residing in Kurnool. So Kurnool comes under Andhra Pradesh. The states of Andhra Pradesh comes under Chennai Patent Office. So I need to approach Chennai Patent Office for patent any file. Okay. Now conversion of a project into patent. How to do that particular work? How to do that conversion process from work to patent? Searching for ideas. For example, in EC department, search multiplayer concept. How we are going with patent filing? We need to go with one idea. For example, consider multiplayer process. Multiplayer means what? Multiplication of two things. So by using a basic multiplier process, I need to approach patent office based on descriptive idea, right? Searching for ideas. After that, prepare complete specification. How we are preparing complete specification? Multipliers can be work or multipliers. From that multiplier, I'll get the output. How? Based on some algorithm or based on some specific set of tools. After completing all the specification, I need to approach tools to get the output. That output has to be matched with theoretical expected data. Then prepare relevant forms to apply the patent. After completion of all the descriptive forms, then we are going with the patent process. First step is searching for an idea. After that, prepare complete specification. Then based on that specification, prepare relevant form to apply. So in this particular specification, if I have any sort of drawing, means I need to use drawing here. That means forms selection. Prepare relevant forms to apply. Forms selection. After completion of all the forms, I need to approach patent. Next one is grant. Patent grant procedure. What is the process of patent grant? What is the first step? Application filing. Patent application filing. After that, that particular filing has to go with publication step. In this particular conversion process, it will take approximately 18 months. After publication, applicants as well as inventor has to go on with examination. Period of 48 months. Approximate period. Maybe less than 48 months also we may get sometime. After examination, we need to go with so many oppositions to cancel our patent publication. Pre-grant opposition, post-grant opposition. See here, in order to get granting from the government of India is not at all an easy job. So in this particular patent grant procedure, we may have the provision of early publication. Expedited examination is also possible. For example, if I file a patent in ECE domain, electronics, field of invention is electronics. After filing one particular patent application, I need to wait for publication. That means it may take 1 month to 18 month steps. Approximately, it will take 18 months. After publication of a patent, applicant as well as inventor has to go for examination. So that means what? They need to request for examination. It will take approximately 48 months. This job is not an easy job. Each and every person will get easily publication of a patent application. After that, publication. From this particular path to examination is a crucial job. After reaching examination to grant, is also again so many apposition will come here. Pre-grant apposition, post-grant apposition, then only will get granting the patent or sometime rejection of a patent. 100%. So what is the basic steps? Filing a patent, formal examination, prior art search, publications, substantive examination, grant or refusal. Again, so many oppositions will come. Some cases will get appeal, right? The process of obtaining the grant of a patent begins with preparation of a specification describing the invention. Exactly. This specification is filed at the patent office, respective patent office, for examination, and ultimately a patent for the invention described in the application is either granted or refused. What is the myths, or what are the do's and don'ts do we need to file before this particular patent publication? In order to file a patent, we need to come from any R&D institutions or any sort of industry. Or what are the qualification do we required in order to file a patent? There is no qualification required, or there is no doctorates, or there is no certain qualification required to file a patent. Dishwasher, kitchen appliances, homemakers, housewife. Dishwasher was issued in the year 1886. Patent for dishwasher was issued to a housewife, Joseph Garris, during 1886. One more thing, famous poet got 3 patents for his inventions, Mark Twain. And adjustable strap to tighten the shirt in the year 1871. That means what? There is no qualification required to get a patent from the government. A self-posting scrapbook, stationery. A history game in the year 1885. 2 patents granted for a school teacher, Gurmeet Singh from Punjab, from India only, for inventing teaching aid on mathematics in the year 2006. So there are many more examples related to this. Myths about patent. So there is no qualification required to file a patent. One important point is publishing is more important than patenting. For example, once published, novelty is lost. For example, I have one research topic called memory, SRAM memory or DRAM memory. So based on that topic, I may go with one approach, or I may go with one algorithm. Based on that algorithm, I'll go with simulation results, and finally publishing in one particular journal. That means I can't use that particular results in any other journal. Once published means novelty is lost. So from that particular point, I need to extend. So I need to add some features to the existing one. Then only I can go with again publishing. So once published, novelty is lost. Publication of an invention in any form by the inventor before filing of a patent application would disqualify the invention to be patentable. So ethics in research or ethics in patent office are maximum same. So we need to be careful while doing the work. One can get patent for an idea. Patents are granted for any new and useful processes and products, or any sort of enhancements thereof, right? Novelty. Only complex inventions are patentable. Is it so? No. Safety pin, needle. In the year 1849, patent for safety pin was issued. Next one is needle. Needle, all our home uses articles only. Patent for needle of sewing machines in the year 1854. So simple things only we can go for patentable. there is no point like only complex inventions are patentable. No, it is not true. Any age restrictions? There is no age restriction. Anyone can go for a patent. Youngest girl to get a patent was 4-year-old from Houston, Texas, for an aid for grasping round knobs. 4-year child. You can imagine. We can do wonders from India. One more example, like a 6-year-old boy, Robert Patch, was granted patent for toy truck. Right? There is no age restrictions to get a patent or to file a patent. There is no qualification to file a patent. We require passion towards the goal, your particular dream goal. Do you know one thing? More than 90% of the patents all are improvements from the existing. All are enhancement from the existing innovations. Can I have time, Mr. Daniel? Can I go with a practical session?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can go ahead. You can go ahead, ma'am.
Yes. Recently I published these many 6 to 7 patents. So how to check patents through our government websites? See, in the year 2019, I filed patents. Yeah, this is the IPI India services.gov.in regular intellectual property India website. Now, from this particular thing, how to track your application. So this is the main IP India search services.gov.in. After that, click on tab called application status. After that, we need to copy application number based on your applications. This is my application number. Government of India will provide you IP India services.gov.in. After that, click on application status. So in this application status, we need to copy our application number. After filing any patent, we'll get from the Government of India respect to Patent Office application patent number, docket number, CBR, cash book receipt number. So we need to have all the things for verification and track the applications, and we need to copy here.
Ma'am, in the end, 1 5 is missing, ma'am. The application number.
Okay. Yeah. Now, after this, after clicking off the things, we'll get to know whether the application is filed or not. So we have ordinary applications, we have an early applications, we have an provision applications, we have an complete applications. So I approached with ordinary application with a team of 10 members, all my research colleagues. So during this 2019 we have done, this is a field of invention is mechanical engineering. Sometimes depends on title of invention, this may be electronics or this may be electrical, etc., etc. So now what is the status? Application status is published. Application status is published under Government of India. After that, what is the next step? You need to click on view documents. Click on view documents. Then what are the documents you submitted? what are the documents both applicants as well as inventors submitted to this patent office? Number one, complete specifications. Number two, declaration of inventorship, form 5. Number three, complete information related to form 1. After that, form 9. Statement of undertaking, form 3. So we need to check each and everything whether I submitted the correct information, whatever I gave to patent office while filing. You may check. This is form 2. Complete specification related to your patent. That means what? In this particular patent, title of the invention. Number one, title of the invention, not more than 15 words. After that, applicant list, applicant complete name, nationality, after that, their address. Next, complete specification. On what concept they are going for patent filing. So field of invention, after that, they will go with a complete background. So you need to check, you need check complete information. If you are using any sort of copy from any patent or copy from any sort of books or any sort of site, means we need to refer 100%. Okay, this is completely summary. Next, any claims. Any claims means what? Claims will be handled by attorney from Government of India only. Next one is declaration of inventorship. Form 5, declaration of inventorship. Sometime in particular patents, applicants as well as inventors are same. Sometimes, for example, one particular friend is working in applications filing or assignee, means they are going with applicants only. They can't come as an inventor. Sometimes both can act as a same person can act as an applicant as well as an inventor. So again, we need to approach completely name of the applicant information, name, nationality, complete address to track the data. After that, inventorship, applicants as well as inventor. In order to file a patent to any patent office in one particular government, we need to approach as an assignee or an applicant and inventor. These 2 points are necessary. Right? Next point is form 1. Form 1, detailed description about applicants as well as inventorship. We need to check all the things before filing the patent. So I will file to patent office at Chennai. So what are the documents we filed? The following attachments are applied to that particular application: complete specification, statement of undertaking, declaration of inventorship. After that, form 9. Next one is statement of undertaking. So these are the forms applied related to this particular patent. 2019, first 4 digits comes under year of patent filing. 2019, after that they gave this number 410295525. Right? So in order to track this particular patent and in order to oppose or in order to accept this particular patent, each and every inventor and applicant has to go with these particular forms. Right? One more patent based on traffic light controllers, concept. How to track the data carefully. So 2019, 2 is missing. 2019 11030347. Code is 0I 417. Sometime that is not published means you won't get any data. LH. One more patent. Field of invention is electronics engineers, electronics. So all these team members comes under School of Electronics and Electrical Engineering. A traffic light controller using solar systems. So application status is published. After that, click on view documents. So this is what complete filing. previously what we discussed about conventional patent filing. This is complete filing, means what? We attach all the documents before filing. Abstract not more than 150 words. Abstract not more than 150 words. Okay, so documents. So what are the information we have given? Complete information, without fail, we need to submit all the data. Right, after this, each and every person has to be signed. Scanned form also we filed. After that, form 13. Marked copies. For example, before filing, if any spelling mistakes, before filing, if any spelling mistakes are occurred, means we need to approach before publication only. We need to approach by requesting form. Complete specification, form 3. Complete specifications, form 3, form 2. After the declaration of inventorship, inventors has to be declared. We are inventing this particular concept. So like that, we need to give. This is Patent Office, Delhi. Patent Office, Delhi. Okay. Next one, drawing. Drawing means what? Working of traffic light controller by using solar system only, without using any electricity work, without using any electronics supply. Only with organic solar panel, that system has to run. So this is the drawing we made. After that, form 1. Maximum documents, inventor and applicants table has to be pasted, mandatory. That's information is mandatory, applicants as well as inventorship. If in that particular patent, in single name both are same, means 2 tables are mandatory. Form 9. So each and every case we need to file and we need to sign in appropriate places. Name, address, nationality of the applicant as well as inventorship. Request for early publications. Request for early publication. Previously we have seen ordinary publication. If you are requesting early publication, means no problem. So we need to go with a prescribed government fee in order to go with that particular early publication process. Right? Statement of undertaking form. These forms are necessary. These forms are necessary in order to file a patent. Right? Yeah, similarly, we have done till now. I completed 7 patents. In that, 5 patents are published. Remaining patents are under process. Like we filed successfully, and we are waiting for publication process. Now, first, this particular patent is published. Published means what? My patent team has to wait for examination. After that, many oppositions will occur. 100% will come. We need to face all the things for grant from Government of India. Okay. Just I showed. Yeah, just I am just pasted here. ipindiaservices.gov.in. How to search, how to track the system of complete patent. So we need to copy and paste in application number. ipindiaservices.gov.in. In that, IAM comes under public. So I can't able to go with an agent or government office. So public search. In that public search, again, if I want to track any application of a patent, means I need to approach with application status. Click on this application status. After that, click your application number. Then you will find this setup. Status. This status is published. After that, what? what are the documents you have filed into that particular patent office. After this, what once any patent is granted means, in this way you will get this patent granted application. This is patent granted application. This is patent published applications. This particular application or certification or rights hold for a specific period of time, approximately 14 years to 20 years. I would like to show you the date clearly. So I'm just enlarging the things. Date of filing is 2006. Patent file in the year 2006. After that, date of grant is in the year 2016. See how much time we need to wait for granting a patent. Granting a patent is not at all an easy job. Please remember this point. One important requirement is we need to have passion towards our goal. What is our goal? My goal right now is I need to file a patent. That patent has to be reached to destination is what? Granting a patent. So in the year 2019, I filed a patent. In the same year, in the same year 2019, I published. So I need to go for granting a patent means what? What are the steps I need to wait? What are the steps I need to go on through? Examination, pre-granting process, post-granting process. After that, so many oppositions in some cases. After that, we may get granting or we may get rejection. See here, 2006, patent filed in the year 2006, patent grant in the year 2016. Okay, so not at all an easy job. These are some of the references to this particular patents. Intellectual property rights, IPO, Intellectual Property Office, ipindiaservices.gov.in. All the Government of India patent offices, Chennai, Bombay, New Delhi, Kolkata. So all we can search in this particular Intellectual Property Office website. Now I'm comes under Chennai, so I need to approach Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology, tnscst.nac.in. Small, medium scale, micro, small and medium enterprises, MSME. Department of Industrial Policy and Promotions, Technology Information Forecasting and Assessment Council, Patent Facilitating Center, PFC, World Intellectual Property Organization. Now, completely, we discussed about IPI, Indian Patent Office related work only. WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization. If that particular patent is granted from Government of India, means if we are having complete confidence that particular patent not published in other countries, means we may approach WIPO also. So this is one advantages. And I thank to Sahila ma'am, who is a scientist in TNS CST Tamil Nadu Patent Office. I took some input from Sahila ma'am. Thank you so much. And thank you all. Thank you, Daniel, for giving me this opportunity. Yeah, any queries, dear participants, doctorates, professors, research scholars, young students, please ask some questions.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Really, it was a great session. And we have like one participant has asked like, can you share the reference websites?
Yeah, sure. Definitely. Yeah. I'll share the PPT also.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, experimental journal writing and literature review and patent. Which one is tough, ma'am? Comparatively.
Both are different domains, sir.
Yeah. Can you compare these three, ma'am?
Yeah, one thing, sir. Research paper. For example, if you are working with PhD, in order to get we are working with some sort of article, right? That particular article is published means what? That holds for a lifelong period. in your name.
Yes, ma'am.
Whereas in the case of patent, that publication or granted only for a specific period of time. That's the difference.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. There is a echo in your voice.
Yeah. Is it okay, sir, now?
Yeah, now it is okay, ma'am.
Any query, sir? Maybe in the stipulated time period, I just
I think
covered
in
all the basic
yes, ma'am.
points.
In chat box, the few participants were asking their queries. Chat.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Yes.
Ma'am, may I
Yeah.
know for research papers also we need to file a patent, ma'am?
Yes, yes. You can file a patent, Mr. Sujan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, you can file a patent like a BTech project or postgraduate project or PhD project. We 100% we worked in some narrow area. Like previously, Jai Krishna Kishore sir also discussed about research methodology and fine tuning the concept. That means what? We need to narrow our particular domain or concept. Based on that, we can go for a patent. But in that particular patent, we shouldn't use whatever we have done with some results. That result shouldn't use in a patent. So we need to use another results. Same results can't be published in one particular patent and in patent. That's the thing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Another query is how to find our work is novel or somewhere it is already has been patented.
We need to search, yeah. We need to search. Then only we can able to know, right? If I sit at home, I don't know what is happening at the outside, right? We need to search related to your topic. What are the enhancements I have done till today? Based on that, you need to approach.
Then how to search patents in any particular field? These are all the questions asked in chat box. I am just communicating to you, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, like library science means based on your library science, what are the concepts till today developed? After that particular development, what your progress? That is the main important point. Yeah, you can publish a patent in any field, not only technical side, arts and science, home automation, house appliances, etc., etc. What is the question? Is there any chance our innovation get copied before we receive our patent rights? Yes, it's a good question actually. Like for example, if I file a patent, so related to that particular patent, I'll receive copy related to one date. So after that date, if anyone filed related to your concept means that is not taken. So we need to go for some advancements, right? For filing a patent, approximately you may take 6 months to 9 months. After filing a patent to publication, 100% it will take more than a year. Yes, any query? Yeah, patent, how much fee for early publication? You please approach ipindia.gov.in. You will get all the forms and fees collection. Please send all the sessions links of feedback. Okay, that will take care by Mr. Daniel.
Yeah.
Dynamic Daniel. Thank you so much, Daniel.
Thank you, ma'am. I think people earlier we have informed all the participants that there is no feedback for this session because nearly half the people, nearly 150 are people from faculty and other half is like students and research scholars. So faculty has many work in their institute, so there is no feedback for them. So we are sharing the videos of the sessions in the groups. Somebody asking feedback, it will be like they are new to the sessions currently and they are not paid and they have done the registration. It may be like that. So you can contact me through WhatsApp to my number. So I will be helping regarding that.
Still any other questions?
Ma'am.
Yes.
How tough it is to file a patent, ma'am? Because it should be unique or repeated ideas.
No repeated concept here. Unique means what? For example, any concept existed means that has to recovered. That shouldn't come. There is no copyrights, right? That shouldn't come.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. What does PhD in bracket means? I'm pursuing my PhD. I'm about to finish my PhD. So that's the reason I kept in the brackets. A very conceptual PhD. Thank you so much. If possible, if I give some time means definitely I'll what we call, I'll explain one particular idea if possible.
Sir, I think Mr. to Rajinikanth sir, I think there is no feedback session, sir. There is no feedback for every sessions, feedback form or something like that, like other sessions. Rather, when you are attending a webinar or any seminar, there is feedback form will be shared at the end of the session. There is no feedback here. So because most of them were faculty and research scholars, it will be a little bit flexible if you maintain like that. So we are, as the videos were shared in the WhatsApp group, if you are not attending in any sessions, kindly look into that.
Yeah, if you have any queries, you can approach me through WhatsApp or through mail. No
I request the
problem.
participants to note her mail ID because she used to help many researchers. Even she's helping me a lot, even though we are researchers. So you can ask help from her. You can mail her anytime. She'll be helping regarding patent and other research helps. After applying patent, with this, how many days we can publish that paper?
No, after applying a patent, you can't publish that paper, right? You need to change that results at least. That's what I'm saying. No, we can't able to publish one results in two domains, in two sites. Yeah, you can do. Hans Kaushik, you can do. Okay, thank you, Kaushik. Thank you, Puneet Kumar.
Any more queries?
Thank you all. Learning is the excitement of my life. I'm following this statement from my guru Jai Krishna Kishore sir. Learning is excitement of my life. Daily I'm learning new things in my life.
What is the process for using someone's patent?
Thank you so much, Kaushik. Nobody has explained the concept of IPR in such a in-depth and exhaustive. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Devika P. Thank you. You can mail me related to any help, any support. I may 100% I may support. One point I would like to say, I'll work with you, but I won't work for you. 100% this point holds. I'm following this point from my guru. I'll work with you definitely. Anybody ask any question related to patent filing, definitely I'm here to help you. In history, patent should be year based or area based or any other concept. You can approach any of the way. Depends on your comfortable level. Yes.
Yeah, I think if no more queries, then we will wind up. And I like to thank Bindu Sweta ma'am once again for accepting the invitation and you are today here.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much, ma'am. Surely
Thank
we
you.
will use for other future sessions also. Future, I think next also we are planning to conduct another internship program. Like many were asking their friends want to join and other thing. So we have started the registration process. Many of
Yes.
them want to join here. So we are adding their mail IDs. So soon we will be setting a session once again. And surely I'm sure I'll call you once again for the same kind of similar sessions, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so
Thank you.
much. And thank you with this COVID-19. Because of this only I'm standing before you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Signing off. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.